Let's make marshmallows. These sweet and soft, fluffy pillows of deliciousness are easy to make and so much tastier than store-bought. Combine 3 packs of unflavored gelatin and 1/2 cup of cold water in the bowl of a stand mixer. Give it a whisk and allow it to sit while you make the syrup. In a saucepan, combine 1½ cups of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 cup of water. Cook over medium heat until it reaches 240 degrees and then remove from the heat. With the mixer on low speed, slowly pour the sugar syrup into the dissolved gelatin. Turn the mixer up on high and whip until the mixture is very thick, about 15 minutes. Add in a tablespoon of vanilla extract and mix thoroughly. Spray a non-metal baking dish with cooking spray and line it with plastic wrap and spray again. Dust with powdered sugar and pour the marshmallow mixture into the pan. Cover the top with powdered sugar and let it sit overnight uncovered. Once they're dried out, turn them out onto a board and cut them into little squares. Dust with some more powdered sugar and enjoy. Trust me, you are going to love them.